This video shows how to replace the cabin air filter in a Honda CRV. First, open your glove compartment. Take out all the stuff. There's a hook on the side here. You have to push that forward so it comes out of this part here. And then on the glove box itself, you push in on the side. You have to push on both sides to release that. And then right back here is the cabin air filter. Little hook here, release that. And over here, release that. And there's the original filter. I'm embarrassed to show how much junk is on mine. But yeah, it's pretty dirty. And then get your replacement that you bought from Amazon. It says it fits your car. This airflow down. So that has to go down. When you put it back. Okay, so it's back in there. Just put it back in. The airflow thing on this side pointing down to match this where it says airflow down. Put that all the way in. Put this thing back on. Snaps right on there. And push your glove box back up. That just snaps back on there, and then this little hook. There we go. They're all done.